A canvas is something that every artist should use at least once. I found this canvas from Amazon and thought give it a try to see how the quality of this canvas is. The video will be divided into some parts. With that being said, let's roll the intro. The first thing that comes to our mind is how the packaging will be look like. So this is the package that Amazon sent me, and now let's just unbox it. You can just see it comes with a plastic cover and no hard cover. After opening, the package greeted me with 6 canvases tied up together. They are in perfect condition in spite of no hard box protection to it. Let's now open up the seal to see what's waiting inside. So there is 6 good looking 6x6" small canvas board. Each board is separated with a thin sheet of paper that protects the board so that they don't stick to each other. Up till now the packaging looks so good, but more discussion will happen in the next section. In this part, let's now look at the build quality of the canvases, and you can see the canvases are pretty sturdy as I'm giving a lot of pressure in the canvases. Still, it's not bending. Plus, I am also rotating it and trying it pulling in different sides so that I can perfectly see how the canvas is. Another side of the canvas is the perfectly looking grainy sides, which makes it a perfect companion for your acrylic painting projects. Like this great canvas, my channel also provides amazing contents, so a small sub with a bell icon will be sublime. As every coin has a positive and the negative side, so do the canvases. This is one of the exception of the canvases where you can see black patches on the back side of the canvas. The front is without any blemishes, though the back part is also important to see whether it is good or not. You can easily compare with the twin canvas to see how it deviates from the normalcy. With this cheap price tag, I won't say the quality of the canvas is bad. Rather, I will say the price to quality ratio is really great for this kind of canvases. In this present scenario, going to store is not possible, so buying it from an online store is very useful for me. On top of it, you have a lot of sizes of different canvases which you can choose according to your need. Just remember one thing, canvas board and canvas sheet are different things, so make sure to check before buying it. All the links given in the description so that you can get the right product at the right price. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing canvas painting videos which will be coming in my channel very soon. With that being said, it's time for some real life taste. This is a simple Tanjore painting tutorials. The tutorial is freely available on Skillshare. You can join with my link and explore Skillshare for free. Join now from the description box below.